In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations using the elimination/addition method. This is the system. Before I solve the system, I would like to make sure that the given equations, this one and this one, are in this format: ax plus by is equal to c, x and y in that order on the left side, and on the right hand side the constant. The first equation, we can just add 3 to both sides. So from the first equation, I can add 3 to both sides. I'm going to have 4x minus 5y is equal to 3, and I have this format. However, the second one is not so quite easy. It's in the form y is equal to mx plus b. This one, y is equal to mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. We just need to put it in this format. And I do that by multiplying both sides by 5. 5 is in the denominator, so I can get rid of 5 by multiplying both sides of this equation by 5. So 5 times y is going to be 5y is equal to 4/5 x times 5 is going to be, so let me do it on the side, 4/5 x times 5. This 5 and 5 is going to cancel. That's going to give me just 4x. Then 1 times 5 is 5. Now I can subtract 4x from both sides in this equation. So subtract 4x. On the right hand side, positive 4x, negative 4x cancel out, and I'm just left with 5. On the left hand side, I have negative 4x plus 5y. So I have negative 4x. So this equation becomes negative 4x plus 5y is equal to 5. Now we notice that in this equation, x coefficients are the same, so but with opposite signs. So we can just go ahead and add these two. We want to eliminate x. So positive 4x minus 4x is 0. As it turns out, it holds same statement. It holds true for the y as well. Y has negative 5 and positive 5 as coefficients. So if we add them, we are going to get 0 too, which is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So 0 plus 0 is 0 is equal to 8. We kind of have a problem here. We are getting something inconsistent. So this is inconsistent. That means this is not true, because obviously 0 is not equal to 8. Given that we have done our calculations properly, what it means that the system of linear equations, in our case these two equations that we are considering, are not, they do not have a solution, meaning that these two straight lines, they do not overlap. In that case, they do not overlap or they do not intersect. In that case, what happens is this: these two straight lines are parallel. So the lines are going to be like this. One line is going to be like this. Another line is going to be like this. That means these two lines, this one and this one, they are parallel and they don't overlap. Okay, so that means they never meet. So that means there is no common point between these two straight lines, this one and this one. These are parallel lines with different y-intercepts. Okay, you can express this one in the slope-intercept form as this one, y is equal to mx plus b. You will see that it goes through two different points, these two lines, this one and this one. So when two straight lines are parallel and they don't overlap each other, they do not meet. That means they have no solution. In that case, it is inconsistent. So if you do calculations properly in a system of equations and you get something like this inconsistent, like in our case we got 0 equal to 8, or you might get 1 equal to 2, or negative 5 is equal to 7. Any statement that is untrue involving numbers, which means that the system is inconsistent, meaning it doesn't have a solution. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.